Hey, welcome back to another episode of ACT and SAT practice question. Again, this is Romel with the Jax Tutor. Today we're going to talk about ratio. What does it mean to say that the ratio of men and women is 1/2, or the ratio of girls to guys is 3/5. So let's see what we let's picture this population. Let me fix this thing before we get messed up. There you go. And then, alright, so we're solving this problem here. Yeah, so it says in a high school senior class, the ratio of girls to boys is 5/3, 5 to 3. If there's a total of 168 students in the senior class, how many girls are there? So, what it says here is the ratio is 5 to 3. 5 to 3. Girls to guy, girls to boys. That's 5 to 3. So, what it really tells us is out of every 8, out of every group of 8, there's 5 girls, 3 boys. So the total of 8 here, there's 5 girls, and then 3 boys. So what's the portion of out of that? Let's say we take a group of 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls, and then we got 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. So what's the portion of girls to guys? Is 5/8. 5 out of a total of 8. So the girls to boys is 5/8. And we have a senior class of 168 students. We want to know how many of these are girls. So we already know the ratio. How does the number of girls compare to total number of students? So out of every 8 students, 5 of them are girls. And then we have 168 students, so you just gotta multiply this by 168. What do you get? 5/8 multiplied by 168. You get 168 times 5 divided by 8. I get 105. 105. And then this is the answer choice. Answer choice in the book is C. If you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page. You'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT, the SAT, and any other standardized test. And if you want to work with us too, click on the link below. Again, this is Romel with the Jax Tutor. Thank you very much. All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.